What's going on, Jasmy Moose Boys? Trust me, from the comments, it sounds like a lot of you guys bailed out of Jasmy, and we're like, hey, be careful here. But don't worry, now that we're going up, everyone's going to be like, oh, I bought the dip, even though there are a lot of people complaining when we dipped low. So hopefully you guys were able to accumulate that. That was a multi-year drop, a multi-year blessing to pick this up cheaper, and we'll go over that. So $784 million market cap, up 24.8% at 1.6. So we're at that 1.6, 1.7 multi-year support area right now, which is fantastic. We just need to maintain it. All-time high 479, all-time low 002. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on Jasmy. All right. Long-term time frame now. We're looking at the 2-day chart. First things first, draw a line at the support. This was the multi-year support going all the way back to February 2024, staying above 1.6. We are actually back above it barely right now. So we have to maintain above this. This is our multi-year support area right now. We want to flip it back into support. And if that's the case, anything below that was I don't want to say generational, but a massive buying opportunity, because you haven't had chances like that in well over a year to pick Jasmy up at that price. And we're starting to go way higher with indicators not even showing signs of exhaustion yet. We have the stock RSI still absolutely ripping. We have the double buy signal on the where's that at? Double buy signal on the WTX starting to rally higher. Look at all this room we could run. We have so much room to run here, guys. So much room. Which, what do you think that's going to have an influence on the price? Stock RSI, or not stock, I'm sorry, normal RSI broke out of the downtrend, putting in a higher high. Look at all this room we have to run right here as well for Jasmy. And then on top of that, the MACD, huge engulfing candles spawning in on the 1 or 2 day. 1 day similar situation. MACD's bullish, RSI is looking good. Look at these. Look at, that's the most buy signals I think I've ever seen in a tight zone, except the period back in March of 2022 when we saw this huge run up right here. So hopefully things are starting to get interesting again for you Jasmy holders. We'll find out. We'll definitely find out. I still own my Jasmy. I did not sell during the dip. I wish I would have accumulated more. Last video I was talking about putting a buy in order at 0.7. It did not hit 0.7, but I did pick some up at 0.09. So that kind of brings my average back up a little bit, because my normal average is 0.2. So no, 0.17. So right now, most of my coins are down, but I was able to bring it up a little bit by buying the 0.09. So Jasmy is looking fantastic there in the day chart. 4-hour time frame, the short-term time frame. The short-term time frame is a little toppy right now. Really not too concerned about it. All that's doing on the short-term time frame is showing that 1.5, 1.6 is going to be our support. So that's the area that we really need to maintain. We do not want to fall below that, guys. We want to stay above that 1.016 level for Jasmy. We do that, then this thing's to be off to the races. I mean, we've talked about it several times, the giant cup and handle pattern playing out. And I think that's exactly the play right here, guys. We got that. I've talked about it. It takes a while to play out. You got your cup, you got your handle, to infinity and beyond. And that's where we're starting. We're starting the to infinity and beyond part, in my personal opinion. Man, look at that. Look at the week chart. The week chart. Oh, shoot. What did I do? The week chart indicators are looking bad. Guys, look how long the stock RSI was down here, from February all the way till the beginning of April on the stock RSI on the weekly time frame. Last time that happened, we've never been down there that long. Honestly, look at, historically speaking, we've never been down there that long. Last time we were down here this for about half that time was back in October 2022. October 2022 was about right here, right when the bottom spawned in for the coin. Yeah, last time we had indicators like this, it was the bottom of the bear market. It signified the bottom, and we started the significant rally. So last time we had indicators this juicy, we got a 20x off of it. So curious to see what's going to happen now that are in the bull run and this thing's about ready to print some big candles. I mean, look at the most bearish we've ever been on the MACD starting to lose its bearish momentum, similar to what happened in October. 1, 2, 3 last 3 weeks have been more bullish than bearish, even though it hasn't resembled in the price. RSI still looking good. We're above that 1.6. So my personal opinion, a lot of these coins are gearing up for the next leg, guys, and it's going to be fun. It's going to surpass the 2024 and go into pretty much their discovery zone comparative to their last bull run. So get ready to print some green. Hopefully you guys weren't shaken out by that dip. You know what Warren Buffett says, buy fear, sell greed. That's exactly what I did. I said it over and over and over on this channel. I just don't see why people panic sell. I mean, everything's always recovered. Crypto's related to this, or tied in with the stock market. It follows the stock market very closely. The stock market has never absolutely tanked. We had that heavy COVID dip. We recovered. It went into a bull run shortly after that. There's no reason why um it wouldn't repeat. Like, history doesn't repeat, but it sure does rhyme, and that's exactly what's happening right now. So Jasmy holders, get ready to rock and roll. I think things are about to get really, really fun here in the next week or two. So with that, none of this is financial advice. If you don't take anything away from this video, just take away we have to stay above 1016-0155 area to maintain that multi-year support. With that, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.